Hey guys, I want to do a disassembly video on the Reate jack. This knife's pretty new, probably came out about a week ago, and I noticed no one's done a disassembly video yet. But as you know, this is a beautiful knife made by Reate. The Reate jack in M390. Of course, I got the burned titanium marbled carbon, and I got a black Damascus clip from A Purvis Blades. Beautiful clip. All right, so first time disassembling it, so we'll go ahead and get started right away. Start with what I've already done before, the clip. So when you do buy this knife, they do give you a couple extra screws and some extra bearing washers. Okay, go ahead and start with taking off the marble carbon fiber. Pretty easy, little short screws you expect. We got the Damascus pivot collar. Right here we see the recessed carbon fiber. Take the screw out. Here we could see the back of the Damascus pivot collar. So you can see it is actual Damascus. And now this cover should just come right off. Oh, there we go. So we'll look at the scale real quick first. So you got a little bit of machine on there, relief for the lock bar, your hardened insert screw, and then assume this is just for the washer bearing area. Very nice. A little mill out area for the pocket clip back here. Now on the knife itself, you finally see your lock bar cut out. Here's your screw for your hardened insert. Assuming this right here is the washer for the bearing. Right, and this is the stop pin. It's actually got a groove cut out of it to match up with the marbled carbon fiber. Alright, I'm not sure if this pushes out. Well, let's start with the other side. Falls right out, and the other pivot. Well, looks like it spins with it on the other side. All right, let me see. This might get a little weird here. Try to find a way to hold two screws on it. See how the screw's spinning. All right, hold on. A little awkward here trying to do this. Take this one out. Well, that's why I always have two screws. Screwdrivers. Let me see what happens here. I think the other side's coming out. Whoa. All right, let's see what we could do here. First time taking it apart, so it's a little Loctite together, I assume. And there we go, we got it coming out. So there's the other screw. I'll leave that one in there for now. And this should pop out just like the other side. There it goes. Pivot collar. And this one's completely flat on the back side. Beautiful material. Here is the actual cutout on this side. Wow, so that's weird. You got a large end on this side, you have a small end on this side, so I'm assuming it only pushes out this way. Let's find out. I'm gonna get a smaller screwdriver. Oh, there it goes. Comes right out. So this goes on one way only. Comes in from the lock bar side. This pretty much just has a kind of like a bolt. Stainless steel, pretty sure. All right, put that aside. All right, here's the knife. Okay, I should have probably opened it first. Try to pick up the lock bar so I don't scratch up the blade. And you just pull it out. Okay, well there, that's pulled out. There's the double roll ceramic bearing. Pretty standard. Set that right here, side right here. The other one. How's the looking blade? Kind of what you expect. Let me clean it up real quick. Set this aside. So, let's start the trusty Windex. Let's try to clean this off real quick. Won't get it too perfect, but kind of what you expect right here. I love the chamfering they did on this blade. Even on the back side, you're not really going to see much. This is chamfered all the way around, all the way up to the top. So really great work on this blade. This is your detent hole. Looks like it has, is that a through hole? Yeah, I think that's a through hole for the detent ball. All right. And the actual frame, oh, there's the washers. So here you could see the actual metal washers that the bearing rides on. Assuming these just pop right out. Yeah, they just come right out. Oh, I thought they come right out. They got a little bit of grease on it, so they're kind of sticking in there. I'm assuming they do that when they assemble, so it doesn't fall apart as they're putting the blade in. But there's your two washers. Got a bunch of nasty grease on it, so I'll put some nano oil on this. It should make it actually smoother than it already is. So there's your two little bearing races. And the frame itself, I don't think I didn't take out as a stop pin. Let me go ahead and take that out real quick. Just slides right in. So the tolerance isn't real tight, but there is no slop, so it's a nice sliding fit tolerance on there. So that's pretty good. And there's a little slotted stop pin right there. So overall, not too bad to take it mostly apart. The only thing I probably won't take out is the lock bar insert. I don't see a real reason to take it out for this. One odd thing is there is like looks like a hand engraving. I don't know if it's the letters number 6, I should say. It does look hand engraved for some reason. So you can't really see too much more detail when you have it fully taken apart like this. Well, I think that's it. That's how you take apart a Reate jack.